Oh, there she is. Look at that.
And welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to a new video. And today we're going to talk about the Prius. And a lot of you, believe it or not, strangely have asked me about the Prius, wondering what's going on with it. I had all these plans, things I was going to do. Well, I did a lot of it. We did some really cool videos, and those videos did really well. To the extent that the videos have paid for this Prius, I have yet to have had to fund my business bank account where all these payments come from to cover the Prius $325 payment. And I've only filled this thing up with gas maybe 3 or 4 times since I bought it almost 2 months ago, a little over 2 months ago. And I've now put almost 4,000 miles on this thing. It is absolutely printing cash for me, which is awesome because my beautiful Challenger, who is parked right there right now, is not getting beaten up. It's not getting tons of miles on it. I think I've only put 500 miles on that thing in 2 months, but they've been a glorious, fun 500 miles, meaning I got to go out and drive it the way it should get driven, have fun in that thing, and not worry about just beating it up. I mean, it's just been a blast. I even went and did some wild, insane donuts in a parking lot in that thing, and it was a freaking blast. And then came back and parked it. And no, I did not video it because it was just a time with one of my buddies to show what that thing can do, and just, it is glorious. It is just nothing like it. So no donuts going to be done in this thing. And with the charging cable, I'm able to charge this thing up every single day. I'm getting my 40, easily about 38 to 40 miles of range out of this thing, which has been just perfect, which means any day, almost every day that I am local and in town and not out on the highway cruising my region here in SoCal, which is basically 3 counties of lots of driving and lots of hotels. I did take it to Vegas though for work. Being able to use just the battery around town, I'm able to save all that gas, which is why I barely had to put gas in it, because when I'm not traveling, it's all electric, and I don't do more than 40 miles in a day cruising around town. So this thing has become absolute big win. Now, there were a couple things that I said we've got to do, and my wife had the idea, which was to wrap that in black. Still have not done that. Got to do that. Just have not had time. And change this to black, which we will do today, and black out all the side markers and rear markers so that this whole thing will be blacked out. Now, I didn't think about doing a whole video on this. I was just going to do it, and I thought, I'm going to whip the camera out and just update you all on how the car is going. And it has been glorious. This thing has been spectacular, and people love it. I get thumbs up all the time when people read my grocery list on the side of my grocery getter, which is hilarious. And of course, I see the wheels and the lowering kit and everything, but everybody's like, but it's a lease. What are you going to do when you have to turn it back in? Well, the springs are in the garage, the wheels are in storage, and tires. Everything's going to be brand new, and it will take me 1 day and I don't know, a few $100s to reverse everything around back to stock. With that said, I don't think I'll get rid of this thing. I mean, why not just keep it forever and just pay it off and just have that thing that's going to be here to be used and abused, which I did abuse it a little bit. Check this out. I think I showed you guys this once before, but I caught a rock and I got a little door ding, kind of ding right here, not on the door, but PPF took most of the hit. That's PPF right there. When I peel that off, probably won't see anything except a little dent, which I can probably knock out myself if I want to, but I like the battle wound. What the hell? Little battle wound's great. Anyways, so let's go ahead and just do this real quick. Do the side markers, get the front emblem replaced in black, and call it a day. By the way, don't want to forget, yes, I want to do the calipers. I wanted the calipers to be a different color. At the very least, make them black, but a lot of you thought I should do them in red. And I did find out they actually sell, like, I think Brembos for the Prius that I could put on. But then I realized that if I did that, I would need my head examined, because this is not a car that I'm racing or anything like that. It would just look better with the big giant discs and stuff on this thing, but there's no need for it. I'm not doing anything crazy in this thing. It's just a cruiser, just a, you know, grocery getter. Anyways, so I did find covers for the calipers. I don't know how those would look though in red, and I just worry they're gonna look cheesy. And I don't wanna end up in the whole AutoZone plastic crap sticking to the car baloney. But I will darken these, and probably that's it. I just don't think I'd do anything else. It's serving its purpose, and it looks great. Now let's go ahead and do the quick little mods, give you a reveal, and wrap this video up. So here is what I got. I've got the black emblem. By the way, if you want to get one of these things, Etsy. Because if you go to, I don't know why, but if you go to Toyota, good luck. I could not find it for the life of me. And when I did find the kit, it was all the emblems and the PHEV thing, but it wasn't for this model. I don't know, it was different. And $75. This was like $20, and it's perfect. It's black, it'll do the job, and we'll replace that front emblem with it. Pop this one off without doing damage, and wham, we are black. We'll get that blackened at some point, and we'll be good. But then, we got the tint. Now, I could not find my mini squeegee, so we're going to try to attempt and do this with just the window cleaner and some towels. Should work. I've done it so many times before, but what we've got here is the left and the right here, with an extra one, I guess. And then we've got a set for the side markers. This should be easy, but you know, whenever I say that, it's not. So let's get to work. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, testify the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All right, they're all done. Now let's do the hood ornament and wrap this up. Did I just call it a hood ornament? I did. Well, that shows my age. All right, so the key with these is to let them warm up. So I've had this thing in the sun for a couple hours now, and I've got my plastic interior tool, and I'm going to put a little bit of Tessa tape on the end because it's cloth based, which will, this shit's no joke. Don't have a knife. You guys want to see the coolest wallet in the world? Check this out. Here is the coolest wallet in the world. It has, look at this. This is not sponsored. Like literally you're going to get like a free thing. I don't even know who the hell makes this thing. But it was Equinox or anyways, just thought I'd show you. Got a nail file, got a toothpick, got tweezers, got a pen, for goodness sake. And then on the back, check this out. It's got scissors and a knife. So a knife and scissors. Pretty freaking cool, huh? So it's fun when you forget to take this out of your pocket when you go to get on an airplane, and you get to spend an extra 20-30 minutes in security. Yeah, don't make that mistake. Anyways, so Tessa tape. I'm going to put a little on the end here, really tight, and then jam this freaking underneath there. And hopefully it's warmed up enough to where it'll come off. And it should just come off. Since it's in the heat. All right, here we go. You could use a heat gun. All right, so it's going underneath there easy. I don't want to break this emblem, so if I do turn this thing back in, I can replace it. Look at that. It was warm enough. Now I'm going to remove all this gunk here. Hey, you want to come outside and look at my emblems on camera and tell everybody you like my car?
Really really quick because the race is at the very end.
Okay. Pause it.
I'm not going to be on camera.
Yeah, no, I need you on camera. That's the whole point. They want to see you.
No, I didn't shower today.
They don't know. They can't smell you from the camera. You look great.
I don't have makeup on, and I've got a bruised face.
All right, don't forget it.
Do you want me to be on camera with bruises on my face?
No. Bye. We've got the big guns here. Next Gen Bug and Tar Remover. Not sponsored, but I think there is a link still active because I'm friends with these guys where you can get a discount. I will put that on the screen right now if you want to check out the Next Gen stuff. I honestly have never used anything better. All their products are amazing. And we're going to see if this Bug and Tar Remover does the trick.
A few moments later.
All right, there we go. All right, so that's on there. So we are done. Let me give you the last reveal and clean up my mess. All right, we are done. What do y'all think? Hopefully you can see it good here in the shade. Maybe I'll pull it up in the sun a little bit. Oh, there she is. Look at that.
I was gonna look.
You look fine.
I have bruises all over my face.
Why do you have bruises all over your face? Because I beat you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
Tell everybody why so they don't think I freaking...
Because I need to not look 50.
What's it called?
Oh, Dysport?
No, what's it really called? What's the word everybody knows?
No, it's really called Dysport, and if people do this, they know it's called Dysport. Okay, stop filming me.
It's called Botox. Anyways, you look
No,
great.
it's
You don't need
not.
it.
It's
You
the
look
same.
young.
Okay, so this is the Universal Hot Crazy Matrix.
It's more intense than Botox.
Yeah?
It makes you less wrinkly.
Problem is I can't tell when you're mad at me.
Above an 8 hot and between about a 7 and a 5 crazy, this is your wife zone. Okay? When you meet this girl, you should consider a long-term relationship.
Your face doesn't move.
Right now you can because it hasn't taken effect.
All right, what do you think?
Looks great.
Yeah? Looks awesome, huh? Black. The emblem you got me on Etsy. What do you think?
Did I buy that?
Yeah.
Oh, look at me buying things for you.
Uh-huh.
Out of my allowance?
Yeah. Allowance. Yeah. Allowance.
Well, what do you call it? It's called allowance. That's
Half, Eddie. Half.
Half! Give me half, Eddie!
That's when you said yesterday, do you still get an allowance? I'm like, yeah, but that's just extra money. I don't really pay for anything out of it that I need. Yeah.
Looks good, huh? Look at that.
Did you?
Oh, did I miss that one?
No, yeah, and what did you do to the, did you
Wait a minute.
spray the tires?
I took it to the car wash. I forgot one of the things.
So this right here, you need to wipe all
No,
that
I will.
off.
You want to be 5 to 7 crazy, above an 8 hot. That's your wife zone.
I can't believe I forgot the, I forgot one of the things.
Go back.
Oh, gotta go back to work. All right, well, thanks for coming out.
Okay, and I'm covered in cat hair too.
It's
And
okay.
I didn't shower today or brush my hair.
It's okay, we have cats. You look great. Everybody comment below. What do you think of my 50-year-old wife?
Would you stop?
What do you guys think of my 50-year-old wife?
In the dead sun with no shower.
What do you guys think?
If you find a unicorn, please capture it safely, keep it alive. We'd like to study it and maybe look at how to replicate that.
Is that my Duke's sweatshirt?
Yep.
Blue Devils?
Yep.
Even though it's Blue Devil season?
Yep. Can't believe I forgot one of the things. All right, let's get back to work, everybody. All right, we got that one done. We are all blacked out all the way around, folks. I won't pull the car back out. But you got to see what it looks like, and it looks great for a Prius, for any car. Hell, black emblem in the front now. We'll do that front in black at some point. Just got to get it into the wrap shop, which is a pain in the rear. But we'll get that done. Everything looks good. What do you think? The markers? Check it out. And we'll check out the back. There's the back markers, and then these right here, all the way down. And I thought about the back, but I like the back where it's kind of white across the top. I think the car looks great. What do you think, folks? Comment below. Yes, I'm one of the few on here that fixed up a Prius. Anyways, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.